How to edit video in Capcut. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to edit video in Capcut. In order to edit video in Capcut, you just have to follow these simple steps. First of all, log in into your Capcut account, and then what next you want to do is go to the edit section. In order to use Capcut, make sure that you've already installed it and that you've created your account. Now click on new project. Now import a video that you want to go ahead and edit or make changes with. I'm gonna go with this one, so click the add button. Next thing, what you want to do is, you can see at the bottom there are multiple tools available in order to make changes with the following video. So you could go to the edit section, and then you could either split the screen, go with the fast, or go with the slow motion to a fast mode, or you could also use animations effect or enhance the voice, isolate the voice, whatever. You could go and find out all of these solutions, and you could also go and explore all the tools that's available. And if you want to use some other features like effects, you could go to the effects section and go to video effects. Once you do that, you could find out list of effects. You could also search that by typing in on the search box. This way you could use, or this way you could go ahead and edit video. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.